Do you have a problem with your Streamlabs where you have background noise on your microphone? Well, today I'm going to help you solve that problem. So what we have here is we have the mic auxiliary. So now I'm going to stop speaking and you're going to see that there's still background noise. So this never stops. There's always background noise. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this icon here and head over to filters and then hit edit filters. And we're going to click on add filter. Gonna click here on gain and then choose the noise suppression. Filter name, same thing, add. So now this is regular. Now let's check it out. What's the difference? Okay, you see it goes down a little bit. So there's still background noise. What we want to do is we want to go back to the filters. Now that we created it, we click on the filters, edit, we go back, and then the method, instead of that, we click RNN noise. So the thing is, your computer is going to use more CPU, but it's going to give you better quality. And now let's go check it out. Boom, we see it's clear. When the cars are not honking, you see it's flat. Yep, so we just got our noise suppression. So now you can stream without having all that background noise. If you guys want full tutorial how I do my setup here, just write in the comments and I'll make a video for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.